channel. So for today's video, today is day and today is my birthday. Charot. So guys, for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga what's on my Kikay kit. Ito yung mga ginagamit ko in school. Pag may pupuntahan ako, hindi siya heavy na, hindi siya makeup, kundi, pang retouch lang, pang emergency retouch, parang ganun. So guys, kitang-kita nyo nun, basang-basa yung upper dito ko kasi tatapos ko lang mag-go, katapos ko lang mag-skincare. So guys, what's on my Kikay kit? So, what's on my Kikay kit? Yes.
Sorry, it's DJ.
So, bukan natin. So first, I have my yellow comb. Second is Johnson's baby powder. So, let's apply it. Apply to your face. Ayan, okay na siya. So, second one is my lip tint. Dalawa yung lip tint to, guys. I have my natural lip. Wala siyang kasi tinanggal ko na kasi ang pangit tignan. Parang siyang expired, diba? This is light red lip tint. So, let's try it. I use my hands. Oh no. Then, so, pinapatungan ko kasi siya ng dark, guys, kasi mas bagay ko yung medyo dark. Eh, yung nabili ko, light siya. Tapos ito, sponsored by Sasia. So, tatry natin to, guys.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Mas dark na siya, guys. Mas maganda na siya. Yung dalawa. Then I have my mascara and the curler. Mumurahin lang yung mascara, guys. It's only 35 pesos ata. Pero ang ganda.
You can get some.
Johnson's baby powder. Hindi na kailangan, guys, na bumili ng dalawang lip tint. Pwede kayong bumili ng kasi yung bill ko. Like, kasi kung kaya ako ng mas dark. So, binigyan naman ako ni Sasia. Then, mascara and the curler. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. That's Jenso. Bye! Happy sending flowers to me. Flowers to me. Tipid Kikay Kit. So, bye-bye, guys. See you on my next video.